First salad I'm going to make, we call the red salad. It's got apples, red cabbage, purple beetroot, purple watercress, which we've just got from the garden, a few herbs, chervil, a little bit of mint. There's walnuts here, a little bit of red vein sorrel, capers and yogurt. So this is a raw salad, all very thinly sliced, nice and fresh. Everything's just very thinly sliced. That's the cabbage, same with the red onion. Apple. Matchsticks of beetroot, purple watercress. There's a little bit of rocket in here as well. Olive oil, pepper, salt, a bit of vinegar, just lift the salad a bit, give everything a good mix. When you plate, make sure you can see all the ingredients. Next up, a few capers, walnuts, just crumbled over, just a little bit of creme fraiche, some of these little red vein sorrel leaves, some chervil, balsamic vinegar just drizzled over the top. That's the red salad, the one we're going to be making when we have our garden day this year. It's going to go with the lamb asado. Very simple, just a lovely raw salad.